Hey, in this video, I'll quickly show you how to check your call history after it got deleted. So as you can see right here, I can easily see all my call history. But if I delete it just like so, or if I change my phone or something like that happens, how do I find it? Well, slap the like button and hit the subscribe button and let's start. So what you want to do here is you want to go over to your settings on your mobile device. From there, you want to go down until you find phone. So you want to click on phone right here. And from here, what you want to do is you want to go down and to this option, calls on other devices. If you have it synced with your MacBook, just like I do, you can actually find it there or on your iPad. Another option is just going up and typing in FaceTime. And if you find it, any of your calls on FaceTime, they might be there as well. Another thing you can do here is 3 options for 3 different mobile carriers. If you have a Vodafone device on Google, you want to type in Vodafone call log and you want to click on your call history and request it. You can do the same thing for Verizon. They actually have this for you, so you gotta verify it's you, and yeah, that can be done. It can also be done for any other mobile carrier potentially. If you cannot find this information, you can also request it by phone. That's pretty much it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if I helped you out. See you next video.